everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. Today's video is brought to you by ATOZWIG. They are a hair company on Amazon and they sent me this wig to review for you guys. So if you want to see my thoughts and hear my opinions, see my thoughts, hear my opinions. Great. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions, then just keep watching. So here is how the wig is looking like right out of the package. It does have a few layers right here towards the ends, but that's about it. It is 22 inches long. It is in the color 613, and it is also a 13 by 6 lace front wig. So that means you get 13 inches across and 6 inches of parting space. So I wanted to get in real close so you guys can see a little bit better shot of the hairline, and here's a better shot of the parting space. The hairline is really nice. It is pre-plucked. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a line that runs right along the hairline, and it looks like that's where they suggest you cut the lace off, so that's what I'm gonna do. As far as cap construction goes, you get your 2 combs here in the front. You also get 1 here on the top, and there is not a comb here on the back, but you do get your adjustable strap. So before I go ahead and try this on for you guys, I did want to mention that it does tangle extremely easily, and since I tried to brush it out, I have gotten quite a bit of shedding. So yeah, I just want to mention that to you guys as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and see if it fits my big old head before I cut off the lace. Using the Gatsby glue freeze spray, and I did use a little bit of the gel as well, and then I just blow dried it on cool until it was tacky and then tried to apply the wig. Now I'm gonna let y'all know that I struggled trying to get the lace to stick, and I wasn't sure why. I've never had that issue before. The lace is really soft on this wig, so I don't know, I was stumped. Okay, I just didn't know. I don't know. And then as you can see in the parting space, I put down a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder just to try to blend it in a little bit better. I don't know, I really wanted to like this wig. I'm not sure if maybe like the color of it is kind of throwing me off. Before I end this video, I just want to kind of go back through and share with you guys my likes and my dislikes about this wig. The first like being the pre-plucked hairline. She came through. They really did that with this unit. I liked the parting space. The part was already so natural. I didn't do anything to it. I love that. And it is definitely big head friendly. My hair is in a ponytail smushed to my head. My hair is not braided. It's not flat, and this wig still fits. So I mean, I gotta give credit where credit is due. I also like the density of this wig, especially for it being 22 inches. Sometimes when you get a synthetic unit, the longer they get, the thinner they get, and I don't understand. The thickness is really like on point. I like that. Let's see, do I have any other pros? It is available on Amazon Prime, so if you are a Prime member like myself, when you order this wig, you can have it at your door within 2 days. I love that. I like ordering wigs off of Amazon because I am impatient, okay? So I think that's it for the things that I like about this wig. Now moving on to the things that I don't like about this wig. First and foremost, these tangles. Can you see that? Can you see what a ratty, nasty mess is on my head right now? I mean, you really gotta get at it to get them out too. So once you brush through them, the hair gets really soft and really nice. However, then you have to deal with shedding. This wig sheds. It is what it is, okay? That's all I have to say about that. Another thing that I didn't like about this wig is that there is no clip at the nape of your neck. That is the only clip I ever use on my wig, so the fact that it isn't there, I really miss it. That's like you never know what you got until it's gone. I never knew how much I needed the clip at the nape of my neck until I got a wig that didn't have one. I mean, I'm not gonna say that not getting the lace to stick is a dislike. I mean, it's a dislike for me, but I'm not sure if it's maybe something that I did. So if you try out this wig, maybe you wouldn't have an issue getting your lace to a stick. I don't know. Oh my god. So with all that being said, I would like to give this wig away to one of you guys. I know that I have no more use for it. I'm never gonna wear this again. And instead of it just sitting on top of my closet collecting dust, I would like for it to go to somebody who has much more use for it than myself. So if you want to win this wig that I have on my head, all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, leave me a comment down below. Also leave your Instagram name in the comments, so that is how I can reach you and let you know that you have won. So yeah. that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you would like to enter the giveaway, I will leave all the specifics down in the description box below. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on my next video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.